Hi everyone, thank you for joining me. Here is a preview video of all the amazing pieces that are going to be available for auction this Sunday at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Nate Bright's channel. I loved seeing all these amazing artists create these pieces. They are so unique and so beautiful, and most of them are using the new limited edition pigment from TLP called Benevolence, which is this beautiful dark blue. And it's just so cool to see how different everyone can art. I just really love it. So I'll let you watch the rest of this. I really hope that you're going to join us for the auction and let me know what you think of my piece. When my piece comes up, just so you know, it was the pre-resined version because it was really so shiny. I could not take a proper picture of it. So if you want to see the resined finished piece, I've posted it on my Facebook page as well for you to see. If not, you'll see it at the auction. And all the proceeds go to directrelief.org. So every single cent that this auction is making is going directly to that charity. And we were so happy to help. So here are the rest of the pieces and hope to see you there.